water and an egg yolk in medium saucepan. That was for the,
What's the 3 cups?
that's for pudding.
Yeah.
Okay, bring to a full boil.
Well, it says stirring remaining water.
Yeah. After, listen, in a medium sauce, stirring remain. Okay, so that's okay. Bring to a full boil on medium heat, stirring. Serve warm or chilled.
That is not pudding.
Here's the pie mix on this side.
Well, it's the same. It says make it according, to the pudding.
It says mixed pudding mix, 3/4 cup sugar, 1/2 cup water, and 3 beaten egg yolks in medium saucepan. Stir in 2½ cups water, which you did. Bring to a full boil. Cook 5 minutes, stirring. Pour into cool bake. Deep dish pastry crust.
Yeah,
It says only stir it twice.
But what's this?
No.
What's in this?
I don't know, Jane. Let's open it and smell. I think it's,
I don't know what this is.
I think this is vanilla.
I think it is too. Skeeter's got every bit of this.
It's lemon. This is lemon.
What's this?
No. This is lemon. Taste it.
I think you pissed yourself. It's lemon.
It's lemon.
What are we cooking?
We're going to cook pies Christmas.
I don't know what
Not
this
Thanksgiving.
is. Well, let's mix up the lemon. We have a full lemon
Okay, we
thing.
can have, you have to dump that.
Let's
stuff.
dump this.
Dump that crap.
Shall we show him our pie crust? Our frisky pie crust?
Have you got the timer on this pie crust?
Yes.
Okay.
Look at this. It is awful. I think I didn't put the pudding mix in. I didn't put the pudding mix in. It's just...
So what have I been stirring for the past 30
I
minutes?
put something in there. I don't know what it was.
Here's the pie crust. We gave Skeeter a lesson in how to make pie crust. Right?
You can play frisbee.
Hey, over here.
Toss it.